in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Will County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 3 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goodings Grove, or over Homer Glen, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Lemont, Worth, Ingalls Park, Oak Forest, Goodings Grove, Palos Heights, Orland Hills, Palos Park, Frankfort Square, and Fairmont. Including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 139 and 150. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.